are going to love the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, navigation system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.